Imagine making a substantial income in 2024 by leveraging the power of AI to sell prompts and engage in prompt engineering. The rise of AI technologies, particularly in natural language processing and generation, has opened up lucrative opportunities for individuals to monetize their skills in creating effective and engaging prompts. Many entrepreneurs in this field are already earning six-figure incomes annually. The process is straightforward, and with the right strategies, you too can tap into this emerging market and achieve financial success. Ready to dive into the world of AI-driven prompt engineering and selling? Let's explore how you can turn this innovative approach into a profitable venture. Welcome to Day 16 of our 30-day series on earning money online. Today, we're exploring an exciting and highly lucrative niche, earning money by selling AI prompts and engaging in prompt engineering. If you've been following our series, you know we're committed to bringing you the best strategies for online income. Prompt engineering involves crafting specific inputs that guide AI models, like OpenAI's GPT-4, to generate desired outputs. By selling these prompts, you can cater to businesses, educators, content creators, and more, providing them with the tools they need to harness AI effectively. Imagine making over $100,000 a year by mastering the art of prompt engineering and selling AI prompts. Stay tuned to learn how you can turn this into a reality. Don't forget to hit share and subscribe so you won't miss any of our valuable insights. The first step in this journey is understanding what prompt engineering entails. Prompt engineering is the practice of designing precise and effective inputs for AI models to achieve specific outcomes. These inputs can range from questions and commands to complex scenarios that the AI needs to respond to. The better your prompts, the more accurate and useful the AI's responses will be. This skill is in high demand, as businesses and individuals increasingly rely on AI for content creation, customer service, data analysis, and more. By mastering prompt engineering, you position yourself as a valuable asset in the AI ecosystem. To start earning money through prompt engineering, you need to identify the needs of your target market. Different industries require different types of prompts. For example, businesses may need prompts for automated customer service chatbots, educators might need prompts for interactive learning tools, and content creators could use prompts for generating blog posts, social media content, or even creative writing. Understanding these needs will help you tailor your prompts to meet specific demands and stand out in the market.
Once you've identified your target market, the next step is to create and refine your prompts. Using AI tools like OpenAI's GPT-4, you can test and iterate on your prompts to ensure they produce the desired outcomes. This iterative process is crucial as it allows you to fine-tune your prompts to maximize their effectiveness. Additionally, leveraging AI tools for this purpose saves time and enhances the quality of your outputs, making your prompts more valuable to potential buyers. Marketing your prompts effectively is essential for success. Building a strong online presence through a website, social media, and professional networks like LinkedIn can help you reach a wider audience. Showcasing your expertise through blog posts, tutorials, and case studies will demonstrate the value of your prompts and attract potential clients. Consider offering free samples or running promotional campaigns to generate interest and build a customer base. As you gain more clients, positive reviews and word-of-mouth referrals will further enhance your reputation and drive sales. One of the key advantages of selling AI prompts is the scalability of the business. Once you've created a set of effective prompts, you can sell them multiple times to different clients, maximizing your income potential. Additionally, you can package your prompts into bundles or subscriptions, offering ongoing value to your clients and generating recurring revenue. This scalability, combined with a growing demand for AI-driven solutions, makes prompt engineering a highly profitable venture. The rise of AI has also led to the development of various platforms and marketplaces where you can sell your prompts. Websites like Gumroad, Fiverr, and Etsy allow you to list and sell digital products, including AI prompts, to a global audience. These platforms provide an easy-to-use interface for managing sales and handling transactions, making it convenient to reach potential buyers. Joining these marketplaces can significantly boost your visibility and sales, especially if you take the time to optimize your listings with detailed descriptions and relevant keywords. To further enhance your earning potential, consider offering additional services related to prompt engineering. These services could include custom prompt creation, prompt optimization, and consulting on AI implementation strategies. By diversifying your offerings, you can cater to a broader range of client needs and increase your income streams. For instance, businesses may require tailored prompts for specific applications, and educators might need customized interactive learning modules. Providing these bespoke services will position you as a comprehensive AI solutions provider, further enhancing your marketability and earning potential. Staying updated with the latest advancements in AI technology is crucial for maintaining a competitive edge in this field. The AI landscape is rapidly evolving, with new models and capabilities emerging regularly. By keeping abreast of these developments, you can continuously improve your prompt engineering skills and offer cutting-edge solutions to your clients. Participate in AI-focused webinars, join professional forums, and engage with the AI community to stay informed and inspired. This proactive approach will ensure that your prompts remain relevant and effective, keeping you ahead of the competition. Success in prompt engineering also requires a commitment to continuous learning and improvement. The more you experiment with different types of prompts and applications, the better you'll understand what works best. Take the time to analyze the performance of your prompts, gather feedback from clients, and make necessary adjustments. This iterative process is essential for refining your skills and delivering high-quality prompts that meet the evolving needs of your clients. By consistently improving your craft, you'll build a reputation for excellence and attract more business opportunities. Networking with other professionals in the AI and prompt engineering space can also open up valuable opportunities. Collaborating with other experts can lead to partnerships, joint ventures, and referrals, all of which can enhance your business. Attend industry conferences, participate in online communities, and engage with thought leaders to build your network. These connections can provide insights, support, and potential collaborations that can propel your business forward. The financial rewards of selling AI prompts and engaging in prompt engineering can be significant. Many individuals in this field are already earning six-figure incomes, with some even surpassing $200,000 annually. This high earning potential, coupled with the flexibility of working from anywhere, makes prompt engineering an attractive career option. By mastering this skill and leveraging AI tools effectively, you can create a profitable and fulfilling business that allows you to achieve financial independence. In conclusion, the combination of AI and prompt engineering offers a powerful pathway to earning money online in 2024. By mastering the art of creating effective prompts, identifying market needs, and leveraging AI tools, you can build a successful business that generates substantial income. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting, the key to success lies in continuous learning, strategic planning, and effective marketing. Start your journey today and join the ranks of prompt engineers making over $100,000 annually. Remember to hit share and subscribe so you won't miss any valuable insights from our 30-day series. Thank you for joining us on day 17. Stay tuned for more.